Florida shatters a nationwide record for the number of new coronavirus cases in one day. Maryland Governor Larry Hogan says the virus is out of control and he's blaming the president. Here in Maryland, more than 73,000 people are infected with coronavirus, but fewer than 400 are in the hospital, 114 in the ICU. WJZ is live this morning. Kelsey Kushner has more from Governor Hogan. Kelsey.
Yeah, Maxwell, as those COVID cases continue to rise here in Maryland, that positivity rate remains low. Now, Governor Larry Hogan is criticizing the president, saying he made some big mistakes. On Sunday, the state of Maryland reporting over 73,000 COVID cases, an increase of 642 cases. Maryland's positivity rate remaining below 5% for over 2 weeks, with officials monitoring the spikes and outbreaks in neighboring states.
This thing is out of control. It's by no means behind us.
The governor on NBC's Meet the Press Sunday criticizing the federal government.
Mistakes were made, that we should have had a national testing strategy, that we should have been on top of this.
As of Sunday, the state has tested more than 800,000 people, including a record 21,140 tests in the past day.
We had 50 different states with 50 different strategies, and some did better than others.
But in Ocean City, 5 restaurants are temporarily closing after employees tested positive, including Dry Dock 28 and Blue Crab House. Back in Baltimore, city playgrounds, basketball courts, and pools are reopening starting today, with park officials alerting the public the equipment will not be sanitized daily. While in Anne Arundel County, 2 staffers at their swim center in Annapolis tested positive for COVID-19. The facility was closed Sunday for cleaning, but will reopen today. Now, the pool here at Riverside Park is just one of 5 pools that are reopening today. Now, for a complete list of those pools, you can head over to our website at WJZ.com for more information. Reporting live here, Kelsey Kushner for WJZ.
Kelsey, thank you. As Florida reports a record high number of new cases, New York has 0 deaths for the first time in 4 months. Laura Podesta reports for WJZ. Health experts say the South may be in for a long fight against the virus.
The coronavirus is spreading through Florida.
A sharp increase in the number of people going to the hospital. Number of people are in ICU and the number of people on our ventilators.
The state reported more than 15,000 new cases in just one day over the weekend, a nationwide single-day record. It did not stop Disney World from reopening 2 of its parks to all guests on Saturday. Visitors have their temperature checked and must wear a mask.
They have been very strict about it. With other parks, you are allowed to walk around with a drink in your hand with your mask off. At Disney, they will tell you to put your mask back on.
Former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb expects Sunbelt states to deal with the virus for a while.
New York really followed the pattern of Italy, where it was a sharp up, a huge epidemic, but it came down rapidly. I think in the South, you're likely to see an extended plateau.
New York City reported no coronavirus deaths yesterday for the first time since March. Today, the city is allowing 3,000 daycares to reopen with social distancing and other safety measures in place.
Just as we've seen cases skyrocket, we can turn this thing around in 2 to 3 weeks.
Louisiana rolled back its reopening as the state tries to slow the spread.
I think it will affect us. I hope it doesn't devastate us.
Restaurants and bars can only serve takeout, and there's a new statewide mask mandate in place.
Now I'm the mask police, which I think is unconstitutional.
People who refuse to wear a mask can be cited for trespassing.